How can I use Windows Media Player to convert MP3 files to WAV format?
Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use Windows Media Player to convert MP3 files to WAV format. Converting audio files can be useful when you want to maintain the best possible audio quality or when you need compatibility with specific devices or applications. By the end of this video, you will be able to convert your MP3 files to WAV format using Windows Media Player.
Opening Windows Media Player.
To get started, let's open Windows Media Player. You can typically find it in the Start menu or by searching for it using the Windows search bar. Once you've opened Windows Media Player, you'll see the main interface with various options.
Adding MP3 files to the library.
The next step is to add your MP3 files to the Windows Media Player library. To do this, click on the Library tab at the top of the window. Then, click on the Add to Library button, which will allow you to select the folder or folders where your MP3 files are located. After selecting the desired folder, click on the Include Folder button to add it to your library.
Selecting and converting MP3 files.
Now that your MP3 files are in the library, it's time to select the files you want to convert to WAV format. You can browse your library by artist, album, genre, or use the search bar to find specific files. Once you've located the MP3 file you want to convert, right-click on it and select the Convert option from the context menu.
Choosing WAV as the output format.
After selecting the Convert option, a submenu will appear with various format options. Look for the Format option and click on it to expand the list of available formats. From the list, select WAV as the desired output format for your conversion.
Selecting output folder and conversion settings.
Next, you need to choose the location where you want to save the converted WAV files. Click on the Change button next to the Save Folder option to select a folder of your choice. Additionally, you can adjust the audio quality settings by clicking on the Audio Quality button. Here, you can modify settings such as bit rate, sample rate, and channel settings according to your preferences.
Starting the conversion process.
Once you have selected the output folder and adjusted the conversion settings, you are ready to start the conversion process. Click on the OK button to confirm your settings and initiate the conversion. Windows Media Player will now convert the selected MP3 file to WAV format. The time required for the conversion will depend on the size and complexity of the file.
Locating the converted WAV file.
After the conversion process is complete, you will need to locate the converted WAV file. By default, Windows Media Player saves the converted file in the same folder as the original MP3 file. However, if you specified a different output folder in the previous steps, you will need to navigate to that location to find your newly converted WAV file. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to use Windows Media Player to convert MP3 files to WAV format. Remember that this process can be useful for maintaining audio quality or achieving compatibility with specific devices or applications. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you have any further questions, please feel free to ask.